up, Brock?
What's up?
What are we doing today?
On today's agenda, we're gonna be putting Jake's clutch in, and we're remounting his trans to his motor today. And then tomorrow, we're gonna put his motor in.
Let's go.
Are you recording right now, Brad?
Huh?
So check this out, guys. So we're about to put my motor in like tomorrow, hopefully. So we're gonna mate the engine and transmission together tonight. Hopefully everything goes together smoothly, and yeah, let's see what's up tomorrow. Hopefully this isn't a part 1, part 2. We'll get it all done in one shot.
The trans is going on tonight.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, y'all. We're getting back to Jake's car. Well, we just got the pilot bushing out. We're gonna be putting the new one in. You know, because of automatic to manual. So, he's getting a socket so we can smack that baby in. But she should be going in either a little later tonight or tomorrow. But we'll have the video. It'll be all in one take, obviously. But eventually this thing will have a motor in it soon. Finally got my lights wired up. Well, at least this one. Still gotta do this one, but she's at least in. I'm very skeptical on the orange light. Might have to switch it over to the blue, just like I did on this side. And if you can see it with the light glare. But yeah, still waiting on my tail lights too. Guys making them, so yeah. So we're doing a little pause on this. We're doing little things. We're just trying to get Jake going. But yeah, pretty soon. Don't be afraid to smack it. It looks like he's being afraid to smack you. Smack down. Careful.
No, I won't go more than flush because it'll pop right there.
Alright guys, me and Jake, we got his clutch on, finally got her, ooh, you know, so, and we got all of them torqued, that are marked, just to make sure if anything happens we'll know if they come loose or, you know, if they come loose. But, we're about to put the tranny on. And hopefully, we'll get this bad boy in.
Let's go, baby.
Yo. We are now connected. Look at that. Jake's left some bolts at home, so we gotta get the rest of the bolts. But hey, she's on and she's matted together, so we have the unit. How you feel about it? You feeling good about this?
What do you say?
I say you feel good about this?
I feel great, actually, man. Big progress. I think we're going to the last half of this build, hopefully. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
It's
A lot of work ahead of us still.
yeah, a lot more. But all right,
In the mood for all that, you know what I'm talking about?
Jake got to cut automatic
So,
transmission.
We gotta clear this
bracket.
hole right here. Yeah, so we just gotta cut this little bit right here, pound it in, and we're good.
Yeah.
Golden, baby. I'm not buying a new one, so we'll do it that way instead.
We found this out in a couple videos.
It's a
People do
budget build.
budget build. Just us. Yeah, just like,
What's up, guys? It is Saturday now. We put the motor in. Woo. So yeah, we've been busy. I work a whole lot, so I wish I could get more done sometimes, but it doesn't always work that way. But yeah, here she is, man. I'm pretty excited. I got time off this weekend, so I'm getting it done this weekend. But yeah, because I'm getting sick of looking at it. But this will be getting done. And then I gotta get my trans hooked up. I have to get this subframe out and the rear subframe out. I'm gonna take a look at the diff and we're gonna weld it. And then coilovers. My interior is pretty empty yet, so I gotta finish this up too. I gotta order some seats. I have a steering wheel. I need to get a shifter yet. I have the whole center console and everything, so I mean, she's gonna be mint when I'm done with it. Let's see, seats. I have a harness bar already, so that's good. Yeah, these brakes. I'm gonna probably get new brakes all around or new rotors all around. These brakes should still be good. The coilovers, I gotta get my bucket deletes, toe arms, but actually I got Jordan's old ones. Jordan got new toe arms. So I bought these off Jordan for now. Since he got his new ones, that'll get me by for now. Save me a little money. But yeah, there she is, guys.